Good morning, children. Hope all are safe and sound. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to discuss the topic determiners and its kinds. Listen the class carefully. Determiners are used with countable and uncountable nouns to limit their meaning. What is countable noun and what is uncountable noun? Nouns which we can count are called countable nouns, and which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Noun, that is already familiar for you children. Nouns are naming words. Okay, so determiners are used with the countable and uncountable nouns to limit their meaning. These are a special type of adjectives. Adjectives means adjectives modifies noun or pronoun. Beautiful girl. Girl is noun and beautiful is adjective. So adjective modifies noun or pronoun. And determiners are used with the countable and uncountable nouns, and these are a special type of adjectives. Now let's see which are the kinds of determiners. First one, articles. There are only 3 examples of articles. Which are they? A, and the. A, and the. And the article the is considered as an definite article. The article the is considered as a definite article. Why? Because it refers to a particular noun that is mentioned in the text. Article the is considered as a definite article because it refers to a particular noun. That's why it is definite article. And the articles a and an are known as indefinite articles because they indicate a class of noun mentioned in a sentence. They indicate a class of noun, but article the is considered as a definite article because it refers to a particular noun. It is the only difference between definite and indefinite article. Children, definite article is the. It refers to a particular noun, and indefinite articles are a and an, and they indicate a class of noun. One of the main things you have to know that children, the usage of indefinite articles a and an. Article a is used before a noun that starts with a consonant sound. Already you know what is consonant sound. Except vowel sound, that is except a, e, I, o, u sound, vowel sounds, all other sounds are called consonant sounds. So a definite article, indefinite article a comes before consonant sound, and indefinite article and comes before vowel sounds. So a comes before consonant sounds and an comes before vowel sounds, that is a, e, I, o, u. Look at the example of a. A bike, a gadget, a television. Let's see the examples of an eggplant, an architect, an umbrella. Here all the sounds are vowel sounds. Look at some more examples given here. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Here the is the definite article and it refers to a particular noun, Eiffel Tower. Johnny is an Englishman. Here vowel sound. So we use the article an. Ethan is studying to be an engineer. Rosie works as a teacher. Let's see some more examples. Indefinite article a. A is used when the next word begins with a consonant sound. That is, a is used before consonant sound. Look at this, a book, a table, a clock. Then indefinite article an is used before vowel sounds. An apple, an elephant, an umbrella. Then the definite article the is used with something that is unique or only one. Something that is unique or there is only one. Look at the examples. The sun, the moon, the internet, the earth. All these are only one. Then second time you talk about the same noun, we can use the. I bought a shirt. The shirt is red. Here shirt is used and second time. So we can use definite article the because it refers to a particular noun. Then for directions, the west, the east, the north, the south, we can use the. Last year you had already learnt the usage of definite and indefinite articles. So children, I am not taking now in detail. One thing you should remember that a is used before consonant sound and an is used before vowel sound, and the is used to refer a particular noun and with something unique and with the directions. Second one, quantifiers. As the name suggests, quantifiers are used to express quantity. Quantifiers are used to express quantity, and it can answer questions like how much or how many. See children, some examples of quantifiers include a few, enough, many, a little, most, some, any, and much. These are some examples of quantifiers, and these quantifiers answer for the questions how much or how many. Now look at the examples. I have enough money. We have much time. She has new friends. Children, when do we use a little and a few? A little is used with the uncountable nouns and a few is used with the countable nouns. It is very important children. A little is used with the uncountable nouns and a few is used with the countable nouns. Look at the examples. He has a little money left. Here money, that is uncountable noun. So we used a little with uncountable noun money. Then he has a few dollars left. Dollar is countable. So we used a few. He has a few dollars left. Then next, when do we use much and many? Much is used with the uncountable nouns and many is used with the countable nouns. Much is used with the uncountable nouns and many is used with the countable nouns. Could you understand its difference? Much is used with the uncountable nouns and many is used with the countable nouns. Look at the examples. How much money have you got? How many dollars have you got? The next one, when do we use some or any? Some or any. Some is used in affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence means positive sentence. Okay, some is used in affirmative sentences and also it can be used with the countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so some is used in affirmative sentences and also used with the countable and uncountable nouns, and any is used in questions and negative sentences. Any is used in questions, that is interrogative sentence, and in negative sentences, and it is used with the countable and uncountable nouns. So children, just understand its difference. Some is used in affirmative sentences. Any is used in questions and negative sentences. Is it clear? Look at the examples. There is some cheese. Okay. Then there aren't any cheese. It is negative sentence. There aren't. That is are plus not. Not shows negative sentence. Let's do this exercise. Choose the correct answer. There aren't dash car parks in the center of Oxford. Here it is negative sentence. Aren't, are not. So we can use here any. There aren't any car parks in the center of Oxford. The next one, eating out is expensive here. There aren't dash cheap restaurants. This sentence also negative sentence. So we can use here any. There aren't any cheap restaurants. Then last question. There are dash expensive new flats near the river. Children, here flats. Flats are countable nouns. So we can use here there are many expensive new flats near the river, or some new flats near the river, or a few expensive new flats near the. Third one, demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners express and work as pointers of a particular noun. Basically, demonstratives point towards the position or location of a noun. Demonstrative determiners point towards the position or location of a noun. Is it clear, children? It points the position or location of a noun from the viewpoint of the speaker. Demonstratives include this, that, these, those. Demonstrative means there is no doubt, children. This, that, these, those. This computer is mine. Here it is pointing. Pointing the computer using demonstrative determiners. We are pointing that computer. This computer is mine. That house is my aunt's. These muffins taste great. So demonstrative determiners point towards the position or location of a noun, and it includes this, that, these, those. Fourth one, possessive determiners. Possessive determiners, as the name suggests, are used to express possessions or ownership of a noun. It is already familiar for you. Possessive means possession or ownership. And they are different from, that is, possessive determiners are different from possessive pronouns. Already in last chapter you had studied possessive pronouns. So possessive determiners are different from possessive pronouns because possessive pronouns can be independent or it can stand alone. So children, possessive determiners are used to express possession or ownership of a noun. Some examples of possessives include my, his, mine, our, their, theirs, her, hers. Look at the examples. This is my car. Is this his car? Her sister is very pretty. We can say some more examples like this book is mine. This is our house. That flat is theirs. Like that way. Okay. Then last kind of determiners, interrogative determiners. Interrogative means questions. So interrogative determiners are used to ask questions. It is very easy, children. The three examples of interrogative determiners are what, whose, and which. Look at the examples. What toppings do you want for your ice cream? Which college do you prefer to study in? Whose wallet are you holding? So interrogative determiners are used to ask questions. Thank you for listening to today's class. All the students are requested to work out practice time in your grammar textbook. Thank you.